Hello, this is Papa Guac back. We're gonna call this part 2. Uh, Glad I turned and looked. I don't know how far along I got in my video, but it turns out it just stopped recording, and my phone wouldn't allow me access for a little while. It said that it was too hot. So like I say, ever since I've been doing these videos, just all kinds of strange things that have been happening. I've never had my phone shut off on me in the middle of recording a video. I don't know if it's coincidence or what, but I mean, it's just too weird. But in the meantime, I went ahead and finished propagating or leaf trimming the grape. Leaf pulling. But it really just, I mean, put out a lot of grapes this year. It's unbelievable. And this isn't all of them. I mean, we've taken some of them already off of the vine, and the rest of these, I'm sure my wife's probably going to come on out and gobble them up because they're good and she loves them. But this is a final result of the trimming of the plant, and it's just, I'm just speechless with how well God blessed this plant. Like I say, pray for your plants. It works. So we'll be enjoying these. Baco Noir from North America, grown in Central Florida. Ha! And as in every video, our wonderful helicopter or airplane flyby. It's unreal. But yeah, these guys came out good. We have another great plant, Pinot Grigio, I think it's called, but that one's never done anything. But with this Baco Noir, there it is, Baco Noir. Baco Noir does really well. So if you plan on growing a kind of a grape in Florida, this is a good grape to grow. You could propagate it, you can make wine from it, you can do, anything you want. Just use it as decorative if you want. Sky's the limit. But this concludes my show on grapes. I hope you all have a great week. I appreciate you watching this video. I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button and the subscribe button, and watch for notifications for new videos that go out, and let you guys see my pest control, my future army of pest control, my future army of frogs to take care of our mosquitoes and other pests. So anyway, I hope everybody has a really great week, and we'll see you again next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.